everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. Today we're going to be doing what I would consider a DIY video involving your new favorite hair scrunchie, the INVISIBOBBLES. So I'm sure you have seen these, and if you've seen them, you probably even have some of your own, but I'm guessing that they don't look like this anymore. They probably look more like this. They're all stretched out, and I like them. They hold up my hair really well when I have my hair in a bun, which after a while, when they get stretched out, they really don't hold your hair that well anymore. But don't worry, we can take this and make it back into this again, and I'm going to show you how to in this video. So if you want to find out how, then just keep on watching. Alright, so we got everything ready here. I've got my glass, a spoon to fish out the hair ties with, my hair ties that are stretched out, and then I've got some tea that was warmed up on the burner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stick one of them in and pour the hot water. Did I say tea? I got hot water. We don't have tea. And you can literally already see it scrunching back up. I'm just going to go ahead and put the other ones in as well. Now, you can do this just by sticking them in the microwave with hot water, like in a bowl with hot water. I didn't do the metallic ones because I'm not really sure what kind of metallic that is in there, and I didn't want my microwave to explode. But I just for the metallic ones, I did just heat up hot water in the microwave in a bowl, and then took the bowl out of the microwave and placed the hair ties in there, and they shrunk back up because all of mine were stretched out like that. So now the ones that I've showed you, these ones right here, used to all be stretched out, and I got them all back small again. And then I've been wearing these ones and they're stretched back out again. So I will let you know while they're shrinking up here that they will stretch back out again sooner than they did before. But, you know, just wear one at a time, and when it gets to a certain elasticity that's just not working for you anymore, switch to another one, and then when they're all stretched back out again, shrink them all up again. That's, I mean, do you really need, I don't even need the 6 over here that I have right now, but they come in packs of 3, and I like the different colors, so it is what it is. And I'm noticing one of the metallic ones is taking a little bit longer. This gold one here has actually never been shrunk back up yet. This is the first time I'm shrinking it back up. So it is taking a little bit longer. I'm just going to put some more hot water in there. But our pink one is pretty much all shrunk up already. And the first time I did this, I kind of let them sit in there for about 10 minutes or so, and I went and did other things. And when I came back, they were all shrunk. The metallic one is still taking forever. So I'd say this one is pretty good. Let's compare it to our other ones. So yeah, that one's pretty much back to its original size. And I'd even say that the silver one is good to go too. Let me just look at it here. I think I wore this one once right after I had my hair dyed because it's like kind of goldish looking. It's not really silver anymore. If I compare it to those. I feel like it still needs some more time. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab a different glass. Yeah, because that's really hot. It should be shrinking up. So I grabbed another glass. I'm going to fill this up here again. Here, I'm going to put the gold one in there first. Just want to see if it helps it. Alright, so we've let these sit in here for a little bit now. Out of the way. Take them out. I stuck that silver one back in there. The gold one, nice and shrunk up now. And then I did grab one of the other pink ones that I had there that looked like it was not quite as small to like the one I just put in there. So I shrunk that one up a little bit. So let those dry off. That's still really hot. Okay, so hopefully that made some sense on how to get your stretched out INVISIBOBBLES back to their normal size, where they work a lot better for your hair. I find when they're stretched out, they just don't hold as well. So to be able to just shrink these right back up again, so much better than going out and spending more money on more of them and just having a whole bunch sit around that don't work for you. So if you have a few minutes you can take out of your day, just heat up some water, throw them in there, go do something else, come back, and they should all be shrunk up for you. I was kind of on a time crunch. I didn't want to sit here forever waiting for them to shrink up. So I did go stick the glass of water in the microwave and watched until it started boiling, and it worked a lot faster. The water that I have in the kettle here has been setting for a while I got everything set up and ready. So it's probably not as hot as it was when it came off the stove. But I mean, it's just as easy to stick the water in the microwave and heat it up that way than dealing with the kettle. If you've tried this already, or if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. I always respond back. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you don't miss on any future videos I post. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody. Can you say hi, Miko? You tell them what a fun day you had outside playing, since it's so nice. Yeah, it's perfect weather for a big baby like you. Okay, I'll let you go. But thank you for stopping by. You say bye? Say bye, people of YouTube.